Hi there, this is a quick peek inside of my website. So if you've been following my Blog Bigger challenge, then you will have heard me refer to a WordPress plugin called Yoast SEO. I keep saying to people, try it, it's really good. I thought I should show you, just to make it really simple. So here is a sneaky peek inside of my marketing website, sarahkbrandis.com. And this is the sort of back of house view of one of my blog posts. This is my most recent one. It's called Blog Images That Attract Readers. So we're inside WordPress. We're inside the editing of a blog post. This is my title. This is the URL of the post. This is the visual view of the post. If you flip to text, as some of you may know, this is where you can put in things like your header code and your images. It's always a bit nicer to look at the visual view though, it's a bit friendlier, less code. So if we scroll down to the bottom, I'm just going to give you a little look at what it's like. This is the Yoast SEO plugin. It's how it shows on each blog post. So it won't be visible from the outside to your readers, it's just visible to you in edit mode. And it's just this little block at the bottom of your blog post that gives you some guidance, and it's also a little bit of framework to do a bit of tweaking. So this is a snippet editor, and this is a really good tool. So you've got your blog title, you've got your URL, and this is the snippet. So this is what pulls through into Google search results. So if someone has Google searched blog images that attract readers, there's a fair chance of my post being pulled up into one of the many search results that will be shown to people. And I think my title is really important because that's going to attract people to click through if it looks like my post answers their question. But having the snippet here that gives you a couple of lines of text, it's also really important because that might help someone make the decision whether to click my post or somebody else's. So I don't know if you've ever noticed that when you're looking at these snippets, when you've done a Google search and you're having a look to see what you want to click on, you'll get a couple of sentences, and then when you click through to that post, it's not always the first sentences of the post that you've seen. Perhaps this snippet is taken from a bit further down, and that's something that you can do with Yoast SEO really easily. So if I go into edit snippet, you can type over the title if you wanted to, you can change a URL if you wanted to, and then down here in the meta description, I think this is quite important to know how to do it. I quite often open a blog post in quite a soft and conversational way. So what I've done here with this post is I've opened it by saying, if a picture says 1,000 words, then think of your featured blog image as an important sales pitch for your post. And it's nice, it sets the scene, but it's not as powerful when it's a snippet because it's not informational. So what I've done is I've come a bit further down my post and I've copied and pasted something that I think is a bit more sort of informational and useful, and I've posted it in here into the meta description because this I think has got a better chance of making somebody click because it's got more information to it. And then you just close it to save it. You can pop in here a focus keyword. So I've definitely talked about this in my training and in my blog posts before, and if you've taken my e-course 2020 Visibility, then you'll know that I talk about focus keywords to think about when you're writing your blog post as sort of the skeleton, something to structure your writing around. So here I've decided to use blog images as a focus keyword to structure my blog post around. And then what you get down here is an analysis of what you've done so far. So it shows you all the things that you've done really well with green, the things that are okay but need a bit of work with amber, and the things that you need to fix are in red. So clearly I've got a little bit of work to do here before this post is perfectly SEO'd. But you can play about with this post, and this is updating constantly, so it will always provide you with feedback on the latest change, and you can see what to do to make your blog post as SEO friendly as it can possibly be. And then you just simply update and view your post. And to the outside world, no one's got any idea that you've been using a plugin to do your SEO for you. It looks completely normal and no one would be any the wiser. So I hope that was helpful to you. If you've got a WordPress site, then do go into the plugin store and just search for Yoast SEO. I've only got the free option and it's brilliant. It's really helpful. It's worth a try. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.